All right, playing with font. So I'm going to do font and the different things I could choose from, and we'll just list them out up here. Let's go get them. Okay, and we're going to take, I think I want to do Roboto. All right, font style, italic. Is that one of the ones we could use for style? Normal, italic, oblique. Italic and font variant, small caps, right? And font weight, bold. And font size, let's do, 5 rem. And line height, I guess we have to do that like 1. And font family is going to be Roboto, sans serif. Mismatch property value, font style, font variant, font weight. So the way I read that is like brackets are things that are optional, font style or font variant or font weight. It's all in this bracket. Font stretch. And then font size divided by line height. And font family, caption, icon, menu, message box. And then we have those keywords, caption, icon, menu, message box, small caption, status bar. And then there's more. So for some reason where I hit font family, it's not liking that. So let's look at our example. And here we have, it wants a comma, right? Fear sans, comma, serif, comma, sans serif. And so I'll put a little comma there. Whoops. And now it's fine. So if we look at that, that's what that looks like. What about if we do oblique? And instead of small caps, there's all kinds of different options there, right? So we'd have to look to see what font variant is. And font variant /0, that's interesting. Just leave it out. And instead of bold, do we want any of those other ones? Font weight. Normal, bold, lighter, bolder, 100, 900. 100, 900. Maybe 100. And then the size is 5 rem and line height maybe 2. And then the font. And we'd need more than that to be able to see the line stuff. And if we take that to 1, If we go to 0.5, we take it out. We go to 1. Well, that tightened it up a little bit. If we just say sans serif. So you got style, variant, weight, size, height, family. How many people got something good out of that? So let's, why don't you open something up and play with font, play with the different ones, just get your hands on it, do Google Fonts, and we'll play, that way you guys could do some coding for a little bit, we'll play with that, and then we'll go jump into some more stuff.